Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok archive feature for stories. In 2026, TikTok stories are designed to disappear from your public profile after 24 hours, but they are automatically saved to your private stories archive that only you can access. Now, to access this, go to your profile icon located at the bottom right. Tap on your plus icon. First of all, let's put a story out. And once I put a story out, all I have to do is go ahead and tap on my profile icon once again. And you will find this lock option right over here. Now tap on the stories archive, select your desired date. And once you have done so, all you have to do is go ahead and once you have located your specific date for that specific story, go ahead and tap on it. From there you will be able to access your stories archive. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.